Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and I thought I'd try something a little bit different today. I've got my hands on the Sony A7 Mark III along with a selection of Sony lenses. So I thought I would challenge myself and the camera, of course, to see how many different subjects I can shoot through the course of the day. So let's not waste any time, let's get shooting. Okay, well, it seems that actually I've got the perfect lens on at the minute. So I've currently got this Sony 200 to 600mm f5.6 to 6.3 G Master lens, an absolutely fantastic lens. I've only recently started using their big telephotos and oh my goodness, it's amazing. But quite nicely, I've just seen a seal bobbing about in the distance. So I think subject number one is going to be wildlife. So I suppose for me, aim of the game right now is just to kind of sit and wait to see when the seal pops its head up and then get my shot. So it's not like I've planned some amazing composition or anything like that. We'll just see how these shots turn out after I find the seal again. Sony tend to call the A7 models in their range the basic series, and I don't really think that's a fair description of them because, let's be honest, they're anything but basic. So I much prefer the term all-rounder, and that is essentially what I'm hoping to prove myself right with today. So I swap lenses now, and I've opted for the 90mm macro, the f2.8. Again, an absolutely beautiful lens. I don't quite think that there's enough daylight left for me to go fossil hunting with it, but what I am looking to capture is the seaweed up against the shoreline. So the reason that I've chosen kind of the seaweed is that it's going to give a really nice contrast against the white kind of chalky, pebbly, shingly stones that we've got here on the beach. So I'll also look for kind of different patterns in the seaweed as well, as kind of the light's a little bit softer now, so hopefully we'll get some nice colours and some nice contrast. Now I hope Sony don't mind me saying that the A7 III is an old camera because, well, it is. It's been around since 2018, but don't let that put you off. It is a truly phenomenal camera. It's full frame, 24 megapixels, 10 frames per second shooting, expandable ISO of 204,800, fast accurate autofocusing, 4K video at 30. There's just so much going on with it. It's amazing. And using it earlier on today, I have just been reminded of how much of a powerhouse this is. Okay, so you can probably see behind me, the sun is getting a lot lower. So I have now opted for my absolute favorite lens from Sony. It is their 16 to 35mm f4. So this isn't the G Master, it's the Zeiss lens, and I absolutely love it. I love the quality of images that I get from it, and I love the focal length as well. So I'm going to try my hand at some landscapes. So I know kind of the main landscapey bit is behind me, but I really just wanted to capture the sun setting on the horizon of the sea. You get a really nice kind of sheeny triangular thing happening on the water, and I think it looks quite nice. So you obviously can be the judge in a moment. Challenge complete? Well, Yeah, I'm going to say so. I think we've kind of photographed a variety of things today. Maybe not as many subjects as I'd have liked, but we've done our landscapes, we've done our wildlife. I also might count that as a bit of sport. Seals move quite quickly instead of birds. And we've done some macro as well. So I've really enjoyed shooting with the A7 III today and the variety of lenses that I've used. It's kind of pushed me out of my comfort zone to what I normally shoot with. I normally stick to the 16-35mm, so being able to get my hands on the telephoto again was just a massive bonus for me. So I've had a great day and I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. We are looking at doing some different stuff next year, so drop a comment below on what you want to see from us content-wise on this channel, and hopefully we can make it happen for you come 2022. That's it from me, guys. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.